back to another Trendy Talia video. So for today's video, I'm doing something a little different. I've been pretty fortunate enough during this time to not have to worry about going to the salons to get my nails done, my hair done, my eyebrows waxed, my eyelashes filled, or any of that. I do all of that stuff myself at home with the exception of cutting my hair. At the moment, I am currently growing it out, so I am in no rush to get it cut. So I thought it would be fun to turn one of the rooms in my home into a little nail salon and have my husband be the one to give me a manicure. I'm curious to see how he's going to do. He's never done my nails before, and I'm going to let him be in charge of picking out what color to paint my nails, as well as if he wants to add any stickers or designs to my nails as well. So let's go see how he does. Alrighty, so I am here with my husband Craig, my nail technician for today.
Hello.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Alright, let's get going. Starting off with filing my nails. My hubby just gave me a little nail tip because I had no idea that you're supposed to file your nails with that side of the nail filer and not this.
Well, both.
Well,
This is to take big chunks out. This is to smooth it down.
okay, I learned something new. I don't really.
This is like my chef knives.
Okay, I don't really do nails that professionally. So how long have you been doing nails for?
This is my first time.
First time. I'm excited to see how they turn out. Alright, my nail technician brought my little bowl of soapy water over so I can soak my nails. Oh, it smells good. It's Bath and Body Works. Oh, that feels nice. It's like a little bubble bath for my nails. Get my nails done. Thank you, kind sir.
Buff the nails.
Buff these nails. So far, I'm really enjoying my service. Alright, so now is the fun part. My husband is going to paint my nails now, and I have no idea what color he's going to paint them, so I'm going to have to make sure that I do no peeking and still try to get footage of him painting my nails without me seeing the end result. So let's go. This is my favorite part of the movie. Alrighty, so my husband slash nail technician for the day is all done with my nails, and I'm about to take a peek and see how he did. Oh wow. That's actually not too bad. It's a little bit more on the sheer side, but I kind of like it. You can still like see through the, did you do 1 or 2 coats?
1.
1?
I don't know. I've never done
You're
that.
mostly supposed to do 2 coats, but that's okay. It's a little on the sheer side, but I don't mind. It's cute. Can you get like a close-up? So we have like a pretty holographic pink color with another like pastel bluish purple color that's similar to the holographic style. And then there's some unicorn stickers on there. Wow, good job, babe. I'm going to rate the overall service, I'm going to rate it a 8. Did really good. And as far as like how my nails look, I'm going to give it a 5. Sorry. They're cute. They're cute. For your first time, they're cute. And I appreciate you doing my nails. I had a cute nail technician to look at while getting my nails done. And the hand massage was my favorite part. And dipping my hands in like the warm water because it smelled really nice. As well as the lotion, smelled so good. Alright, so I wanted to give you guys a closer look at my nails so you guys can get a better view of them. And overall, I do like this idea of the nails. He just needed to add a couple more coats of polish to my fingernails. But other than that, I think they're super cute. I love the little unicorn mermaid holographic look that he went with. It kind of matches my shower curtain here in my bathroom. But I just had so much fun bonding with him while he was doing my nails. And I think they came out cute. Alrighty guys, and that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it and had fun seeing my husband do my nails. And if you guys would like to see more trendy videos from me, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!